Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your membership with Costco, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Costco membership, begin by visiting the official Costco website. Locate the membership section on the home page. Click on the option to activate your membership. You will be prompted to enter your membership number. This number can be found on the membership card you received during sign up. Next, input your last name as it appears on your membership account. If you are activating a business membership, include the business name as well. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security check. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this verification process. After successful verification, you will be directed to the membership activation page. Here, review your membership details for accuracy. Confirm your payment information if any fees are required. Proceed by clicking the Activate button. Once your membership is activated, you will receive a confirmation message. This message will include your membership details and activation date. You can now download your digital membership card. For added convenience, consider printing a physical copy as well. To enjoy member benefits, head to your nearest Costco warehouse. Show your activated membership card to enter the store. Now you are ready to shop and explore all that Costco has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.